This Easter centerpiece is sure to impress your guests and make such a statement on your table or entryway, wherever you decide to put it, and it is so easy. All you're gonna need is a clear jar, and you can easily just save a jar from a pasta sauce or something you use and rinse it out. You're gonna cover that with saran wrap. Be very careful when you start to pour. You're gonna need a bag of jelly beans or M&Ms, whatever candy you like, but jelly beans really are so bright and pretty. And I found this big bag at Walmart for under $10, so I'll link it below in the description for you. You're also gonna need a pedestal vase, which I also got at Walmart for under $10, if you'll believe it or not, so I will link that as well. I found these beautiful fox tulips on Amazon. I will pin those below for you. You could get any colors you want. And what I did, I usually would take off the saran wrap, but instead I just left the saran wrap and I actually just stuck the stems into the saran wrap and kept the holes, and it worked so well because it held the tulips up in place, and as I was able to space them sporadically the way I wanted, and it was such a beautiful result. Look at how bright, look how pretty this is. Like I said, this is gonna make such a statement, and it is so easy to put together in just a few minutes. I know that you are gonna love it, so make sure to save this for later and subscribe for more.